not the Lashley fear. It is my divine power.
You looking all hood though, baby.
I know.
I don't want to try that in this shake.
Dude, try it. It tastes like a Smoothie King. See what I'm saying?
It's alright. It's alright. You want chrome step bars. Get that factory look off of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. Hopefully we don't get no rain. It already rained a little bit. So we'll see. So here's the factory running boards on here. And I mean, I like them and everything. You know, they match the trim. But since I put the chrome wheels on there, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I'm gonna try to leave that part. I don't know if it's all attached to it or not. But if not, I'll have to take that part off too. I'm talking about this trim right here. I'd like to leave that on there if I can. But if not, then I'll go ahead and, you know, take that off too. Might just go ahead and take it off because it's injured right here. So I might just go ahead and take this trim off too. But a lot of times you don't know what's up under there, you know what I'm saying? Like, it could be rusted, the paint, all that stuff, then look all ugly. But I guess we'll figure that out once we get up under here and start loosening this one. Alright, so if you want to get the factory ones off, there's 2 bolts up here on the further inspection. Look at those bolts right there. If you can see them, we got bolts up under here too. So right here and on the inside. So I have to take a deep socket and go in there and get them from there. Yeah, it's gonna take me a minute to get all these out. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this and then get you back on here. Man, just look at all that pretty wiring. Ooh-wee. Still holding up. Comes in here, the floorboard. But now I'm holding on to this thing for dear life so it don't crush my chest. Oh, landed on my chest. Oh. Got that off. Roll this off of my body. Man. Get this thing off of me, somebody. All right, so we got that off of there. And that's what it looks like with it off. It's just not half bad. But I like them steps though. So let's get this side put on. And let's see which one. Let's go over some instructions real quick and just kind of see where we need to lie on this thing. These are pretty nice, guys, compared to that stock crap. I can't wait to see it on here. I'm not gonna go through the instructions for assembly and everything. I mean, you know, if you're doing this, just go through the instructions, assemble it up. All right, so let me show you guys what I got so far. This mounting bracket went on this one, on the rocker panel that's right here. What you'll have to do on the extended Trailblazer, the EXT, is find out, see where that one is. So it went on the front one, and then you got another one right here, a panel here, and another panel here. So it's the third one, and that's the one that mounts the bar. And each one of these brackets are not size specific, so they all mount the same way. And then you'll put this on first, you know, put those on with the bolts, lock washer and washer. And then you got a little bracket right here that goes into here, kind of like that L-shaped bracket. And then you'll put a bolt through here, right there, and then right there. And then that's what basically secures this. But you already know you're never supposed to tighten anything up first. Now I'm gonna move over to this side, do the same thing, and put you back on. On the front side, it's a little bit different because you got this this still sticking out. So I just went back and used the factory bolt on it, nut rather, on the bolt, because the bolt sticks out from the frame. It's not like the back one where you go inside of the rocker panel. So you can go back and use the factory bolt and then keep some of the, factory nut, and use some of the other ones, because see, it's on this side right here where they're talking about putting it in, but it doesn't work that way, unfortunately. So that's just something, you know, that you need to keep in mind whenever you're using those Raptors. I hadn't went to the other part of the instructions, but I'm pretty sure they don't specify that. So just make sure that you know, you're doing that. This is the same. All right, got the steps on them now. I'll tell you what, that's a cool addition.